What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So I just spent a couple of hours this morning looking for the best Uber Eats promo codes, and I finally managed to find one, guys, and I thought I'd share it with you. So I've managed to find a method on how to get free food on Uber Eats. This is going to get you $100 of free food, or whatever that is, in your local currency. So for me, it's around 80 Great British pounds. And this is a simple Uber Eats discount code that you can enter in on the app or on the website. So I'm going to save you a bunch of time searching because these are definitely the best and most reliable promo codes that I've discovered. So you can see you need to use your mobile phone. I've got my spare iPhone here. I'm actually recording with the phone I use usually. But yeah, just use your mobile phone. Doesn't matter as long as you have an internet connection. And you've got to go to this website. So type this website exactly how I'm going to type it: www.speedy speedycoupons.com. So type this website like this, guys, to go to Speedy Coupons. Pretty self-explanatory, but this page is a coupon codes page. They have tons of other things as well. You can see they have tons and tons of pages. You need to basically just search for the Uber Eats page. So you can go to the search bar and type in Uber. Hopefully you can type better than me. Uber Eats, there you go. Uber Eats, free credit and food coupons. So you need to navigate your way to this page. Now you can see these coupon codes are limited in number, and there is a couple of different codes to choose. So because these are limited, obviously there is a process to unlock your personal code. This prevents people from stealing all of the codes for themselves. So you can see we can get a $100 Uber Eats promo code. We can get your next 3 food orders for free. So click on show coupon. And here is a $100 Uber Eats account credit code. Now, as I mentioned, you will need to unlock your personal code. It's pretty simple. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but I think it's worth it considering how much credit you're going to be getting. So tap unlock code. Now, I've already done this, so I won't do it again. Just simply, I want to save these coupons. So let me just cancel that. But what that's going to do, guys, it's going to show you a screen and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. I've already done it. It was pretty easy. You just have to complete a couple of tasks. And these tasks can range from downloading and playing free games to answering questions. But once you fully complete 2 of them, your code will be fully revealed. So these stars will turn into a code and you can enter it into the Uber Eats app. And that's going to give you $100. So go to speedycoupons.com and enjoy your Uber Eats promo codes, guys. I'll see you next time. Peace out.